So guys, welcome back to my another episodes of tech videos. Today I'll be installing Windows 10 in virtual machine or VirtualBox, you can say it in that way. So let's begin the video. Keep watching, keep learning. So let's open Google Chrome first or any other web browser will do. Ho ho ho. G-O-G-L-E Google. New window. Let's open. Okay, so let's go download Windows 10 first. Windows 10. Let's go. This is, I wanted Google, but then okay, let's go. Let's find out Microsoft.com and then let's go to the you can see the details and all those things. Just follow what I do. So you just go to we need to create media creation tool first to install. So let's go and download it now. You can see it's downloading out there. So let's continue this. So once it's done, let's run it. So it's like this. So press S. It's getting few things ready. To install everything on VirtualBox, you need to have like ISO file or like the format that the VirtualBox takes. For example, this .iso things is needed. So let's go and accept this thing. Blah 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 blah. Every single thing is consist of this thing. So getting a few things ready. We will be creating ISO file first. After that, then we're gonna install it on VirtualBox app. So we are going to create installation media. I cannot press this. Okay. So next, follow the steps because and language English, Windows 10, and all these things. Then just select next. So we are not going to this like just ISO file inside these drivers. I mean inside this computer. So Windows 10.iso. I gonna name it like Windows 10.iso. Windows 10.iso. And I'll be saving it to anywhere also can. Just the documents will do. So let's save it, guys. Let's save it. I don't know why I cannot save. So it's progressing. So it will let it complete until 100%, and then we are very good to go. So guys, it's like 99% right now. It's completing. It's almost there. After that, it's verifying the download. Then again, I need to wait it until 100%. So we must wait for a while. So guys, verification is being completed. After that, let's go. It's just finished. It's almost done everything. So setup is cleaning out off. Everything is done right now. So let's go open a virtual machine. It's already open. So let's add a new things over here. So we need to add a new machine. So we're gonna click here to the new, then name Windows 10. Win 10 will do. Just like that, we'll do Windows 10 64 beta, everything. Maybe I'm going to install it again on local disk D because I have more storage over there. So VirtualBox. Okay, so VirtualBox will do this. Let's go for our next. Then memory size, I think 3 GB is good enough. It's just leave it the way it is. The recommended size is 50 GB. So create a virtual disk now. Create, so the disk image will be this, just leave it as it is. So dynamically allocated. Okay, so it's let's go for 54, 55, 60 GB. Let's go for 60 GB, little bit extra than recommendation. So 60.56 GB. Let's go and take a look on the system. So for the processor, we're using one CPU. Maybe we can just go a little bit forward and then make it 2 CPU. After that, motherboard, network, we are going to boot or no boot, but I think it's better if we enable EFI and clock in UTC timing. Actually this one is not needed, but it's up to you guys whether you want it or not. So I don't want it, so I'll just leave it. So it's everything is like that, so it's all good to go. Processor, we give it 2 processor out here. So enable nested. If you want to use VM inside a VM, then you need to enable this, but it's okay. I'm just going to leave it like it is right now. So okay, so let's go for a storage. Let's go and add a choose sticks file, and then let's go to install VirtualBox. No, sorry, it's Windows 10. I don't know where did I keep the item. I can't remember. I just give me a few minutes. Let me go and find it out. Documents, if I'm not wrong. Let's go to documents, and then I can remember. Okay, Windows 10.iso. So okay, so let's go. Okay, starting. Let's go and run it, guys. Let's go and run it. Key to CD. So this is a VirtualBox. It's running. It's opening. Let's wait for a while. So yeah, guys, this is the installation Windows for Windows 10. So we're gonna choose our language, time, current format, and all those things. So keyboard is US, current time format. Exactly later we will change this lah. So let's move on. So install now, guys. Install now. Setup is starting, so it will take some time again. Wait and watch. So just I don't have product key. So what thing we want to install is like which one you want me to install? Maybe Windows 10 Pro. It's good enough. So let's go. And you must accept the license terms. Next, upgrade install. Just install Windows. We'll do 60 GB. Just now we created the drive. So let's go next. Then I will take time. It will copy file and all those things. Then Windows is installing. So I don't know how long it will take. Maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So guys, just now it's completed and Windows need to restart again, so it will be restarting this thing. So just wait for a while. So guys, finally after once it's loaded, this will come to this screen, and slowly it's still loading. Nothing haven't completed yet. So as once the black screen is gone, then this screen will show up. This means that the Windows is already installed in your PC. I mean VirtualBox. So you still need to wait for a while. Okay, so guys, we're gonna choose which country you are in. Maybe I'm just going to choose United States. I don't know. Just let it be. You can choose any country you want. I mean the country you are living in or anywhere. This is the keyboard layout. Let's go for US because it's always US. For me it's second keyboard layout. but I'm just going to use US all the way, so I'm going to skip this thing. Okay, still need to wait for a while. I'll set up the PC for personal use, so I'm gonna press this, so I'll press next. So you can choose, if you have a Microsoft account, then you can choose, login or what. I'm just going to use offline account, so that's a limited experience. We're going to use this PC, so I'll put any name now. If you want to use under your name, you can put your name or training purpose. So I'm just going to training PM. I will just put like this, training PM. So passport, I just put few. Okay. So confirm passport. Once you have done security questions, useless things. What is your pet name? No, 11, guys. It's my pet name, guys. 11 is pet name. Remember name of the city where you were born. What is your childhood nickname? Where? I don't know. What should I just? What is the name of your first school? It's a YouTube, guys. So let's go. What is the last security question? City, childhood nickname. What's the next city? Oh, childhood nickname. Okay, I just write A for apple. Apple is my nickname. I was just kidding, guys. Accept. If you don't want to do anything, I'm just doing it for fun, so accept it. Not for fun exactly, to show you guys how to do this. Let's customize your experience. I don't need things, just skip. I'm not interested in all these things. So this guy will skip now. So finally, guys, we're in. Finally, we are almost there. It's a little bit more. Almost there. Okay, guys, finally we're here inside the VM. You can take a look here. It's quite good things. Yep, it's here. So if you guys want to make it full screens, maybe you can try doing like this. Listen for you to full screen, but later on you need to restart it. But if you cannot do it in that way, then you just let me know. I'll help you out. So guys, this is how you install Windows 10 inside a VirtualBox in 2022. If you want me to upload more these kind of videos, then do remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much guys. See you on the next video.